Hey gang, Poppy here. That larger piece of Australian opal that I was cutting out in the shop, well, here it is. As you can see, you can't see no color in it. I can see it with my optivisors, but I mean it's a nanometer thick color bar, and the haze on it, isn't just a nice thin haze. The haze, when I was looking at it, looked like an aerial view of Coober Pedy. The piles of rock and sand and all that on the surface being the white fluff. And just pieces, loss of money and time. But at least I got a video out of it, didn't I? I'd rather get a nice pretty stone to show you. I'm still waiting for a 61 carat Australian, not parcel, piece. And my 100 carats of Ethiopian. Can't get an answer, about where it's at. Maybe it'll be here by July 17th. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Tomorrow, the next day, I get out in the shop and I'm going to rub some of that Ethiopian I got. I don't predict much. Unless you value screaming and blaspheming against 7 false gods. None of them being my God. Other people's. Anyway, good night from California.